Hi everyone, this is your girl Young Classy, and of course I am back with another video finally. Anyway, let's just get right into the video. I am doing an up and down hairstyle for my client. She's going away on vacation. So basically what I did was section off basically what's going to be in the ponytail and what's going to be laid down in the back. She originally rocks a short style, and this is why her hair is so short. So now I'm showing you guys how can you achieve an up and down ponytail, basically a ponytail on the top and the back down with a short haircut. So I am molding down her hair. That's the first thing I am gonna do, and because I don't want to drag this video, I am gonna fast forward. So I am molding down her hair with the Got2b glue and making sure that everything's laying completely flat. And basically with this method, what I'm gonna do after I do the Got2b glue, I am gonna put a stocking cap on her head and basically do the ball cap method, or whatever it is that you guys call it now. I don't know. The reason why I'm sounding so funny because it's like I never really call it the ball cap method, and I've been using that stocking cap situation going on for like years, where you put the stocking cap on and you seal it with spritz and stuff like that. Yeah, that's something I've been doing for a while. So basically I am just using the Got2b glue and the Freeze Blast spray from Got2b as well to mold her hair down, and this is the finishing results. I let that dry just a little bit, not too much, and then I put the cap on like so. So what you guys see me doing here is, after I put the cap on, I did take the Freeze Blast again, because basically it's like we're doing a protective seal, so when I do start to glue the tracks, it doesn't damage her hair when she takes it out. So I am spraying the Freeze Blast on the stocking cap, and I am taking the blow dryer and drying it, and after that I will be just gluing around the perimeter where the tracks are going to be glued. So like I said before, I am gluing around the perimeter to make sure that this stocking cap stays very snug on her head. Where she's going, the climate is hot and we don't need no track slipping. I'm so corny, but anyway, sorry you guys for the bad recording. I forgot my tripod to hold my phone while I was recording, so I basically used something to brace the phone on, and that's why the camera was far, or whatever the case may be. Just sorry, just work with me or whatever. I'm trying a little thing. But yeah, basically I dried it, and after I finished drying the glue, I did cut off the excess cap, you know what I'm saying, and I got the gluing of the tracks. As you guys can see, I don't want to talk too much in this video, so I'm just gonna let you guys see for yourself, and here's the finished product. A little brief something, a little more talking for y'all. So I'm about to get ready to glue in the tracks, but first let me just introduce my hair. And look, you see that? Y'all see that curl pattern? That is my hair, and that is our Water Wave brand, which I love so much. But yeah, that's our Water Wave brand, and she's using 3 bundles of 14, 16, and 18. I did use 2 bundles for the back and the 14 for the ponytail to give it that, baby doll look or whatever. So yeah, that is Classy Couture bundles, of course. Nothing else, nothing less. But yeah, just continue watching the video out. Thank you. So I'm towards the top, and basically there is not going to be no hair covering that, and I'm gonna show you exactly how, and that's exactly how it's gonna look after I am done. Just a little track right there at the top, and when I mold her ponytail, which I'm about to do right now with the Freeze Blast Spray, after I set everything, those tracks would not be showing at all. So she has exactly no leave out. Everything is in the ponytail or mold down in the back of her head. So what I'm doing now is molding her head with the Freeze Blast Spray. And you guys are probably like, how? Her hair's so short. But where there's a will, there's a way, because there is God. But yeah, I'm just taking out her edges right here so we could try to like slay it a little bit. And she used to have like some serious damage, and this is why she wears her hair short now. And her hair is actually catching back itself, and it's growing pretty well. You know, you just can't treat your hair anyhow, guys. You have to treat your hair like with just the most care as possible, because now when you want to wear your real hair, you're not going to be able to, because honestly speaking, sew-ins can damage your hair. Glue-ins can also damage your hair if it's not taken care of properly. Wigs, lace fronts, everything, these things can damage your hair if you're not taking care of it properly. So ladies, always remember to take care of your hair so you can have your edges and your length and, you know, healthy hair. Don't be like me, because the hairdresser hair is never done. I'm just looking real crazy in this video. But yeah, just keep watching and enjoy the rest of the video. So for some reason, I didn't get the video to go on here that I showed you guys putting in a ponytail. I did glue the ponytail in as well. Maybe another time I'll show you guys how I glue in a ponytail. This is the finished look, and I do thank you guys for watching and tuning in and viewing. If you like, subscribe for more videos, and like and comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think I should do differently, and I just thank you guys for watching. Bye.